But first tonight, the number of couples that say they were scammed by a local wedding photographer now tops 200. Good evening, I'm Chad Silber. We first told you about Holly Christina Photography back in February. Hundreds of couples paid the company for pictures and videos of their big day, but got nothing when the company abruptly closed. WFMY News 2's Bryce Parker has new details in the investigation led by State Attorney General Jeff Jackson.
Today was a win for the North Carolina Department of Justice and hundreds of couples across the state. State Attorney General Jeff Jackson acknowledged these couples will never get their wedding day back, but says that they deserve to know that he's making their fight his fight.
As you can imagine, as a wedding photography company, you really have to screw up to get sued by your state's Attorney General. But here we are.
We first reported in February that 144 couples filed complaints against Holly Christina Photography. Now, that number has exceeded 200. Half of the couples joined in the lawsuit because they say they never got a refund. The other half never got their wedding photos.
As you all know, lawsuits take some time, and they deserve some immediate relief now. As of yesterday, the judge agreed with us.
A Superior Court judge ruled that the company has 30 days to deliver all edited and unedited photos and videos to their clients. The preliminary injunction also has frozen all of the company's assets and prohibits them from doing business until the case is closed. A small win for now, but many couples are still out of thousands of dollars, including Destiny, who shared her thoughts with us months ago.
Right now, a lot of us are out a lot of money, which makes it extremely difficult to book another photographer, and it's hard to just throw that money at another vendor when we don't really have it.
Jackson says his office discovered the company was telling couples that it had one more open booking for their wedding day, rushing them to pay thousands of dollars in booking fees up front, which he says is not the case at all.
Truth was, they didn't have just one more spot. They were double and triple booking weddings for the same day. In at least 2 cases, they quintuple booked weddings on one day.
For months, we've reached out to Holly Christina Photography for comment, but have never received a response. The company operated mostly in the Triad and Triangle.